points in the world, but I keep things around here pretty chill, so the kids can create the next big idea that will give you the tools to become the next generation of heroes. Come on in while we prep for your test drive on the Slinger. We'll be starting in just a few moments. We hope you have a great time on your visit to the Worldwide Engineering Brigade Open House. Oh, Peter Parker!
Hey, what's up? I'm Peter Parker. And here at Web, we got access to some pretty awesome tech, like vibranium from Wakanda, or this crazy alien juice stuff. We have pin particles and Star Tech. It all helps us develop really cool stuff, like these spider bots, for example. Check it out. They have this really cool self-replicating feature.
Because?
This is awesome. Buddy, you could stop doing that now. But anyway, you guys are here today to help us test the web slinger vehicle. Using onboard tech, you will be able to sling webs just like my buddy Spider-Man.
Peter, your presentation is getting away from you.
Yeah, I'm aware of that, Sharon. I could just initiate the safety protocols and I'm really
Problem with that,
So
Peter.
anyway, if you want to sling a web, all you gotta do is sling your arm in the direction you want to shoot the web, and that's it. That's all.
Peter, your spider bots are continuing to replicate and are consuming everything in their path.
They seem to be stuck in self-recognition mode. If you could just handle that for me, please.
On it. Contacting Mr. Stark.
Don't call Mr. Stark! Don't call Mr. Stark. Sorry, you shout. Could you just call someone else? Ask them to do it.
Okay. Contacting Spider-Man.
I'm gonna go find Spider-Man first because he's around here somewhere. Okay, Spider-Man!
As you may have noticed, the spider bots are locked in that awesome self-replication mode. In spite of what we see, they were created to be robotic helpers that can break down raw material and create all kinds of useful tech. But because they are stuck in self-replication mode, the spider bots are currently consuming everything in sight and multiplying at an alarming rate. If left unchecked, my calculations predict this will lead to the devastation of the entire Avengers Campus. It should be safe until Spider-Man gets here, as long as they don't get into the alien fluid. This is now a bigger problem. Activating threat level protocols.
Hey guys, what's up? I hear you have a bug problem. I'm here to help.
You made it. Great. Threat level is at exponential danger. You might need some help. Perhaps I'll call the Avengers?
Don't worry, everyone. I got this. Okay, everybody. Open house is canceled.
Wise idea.
But I could use some help.
Yes, you could.
Sharon, prep the slinger vehicle.
Already on it.
Everyone head to the slingers and we'll team up to stop the spider bots before they destroy the campus. It's easy.
Okay, we have a plan. Please move quickly through the doors and down the hall to the slinger vehicle bay. Your open house demo has been upgraded to a high-stakes mission to save Avengers Campus.
Activating motion tracking, assigning individualized color profiles, web shooters calibrating. You there, Spider-Man?
I'm here. Where are you?
On our way. Okay, please sit back and enjoy your ride until we reach the impending disaster.
Wait, I thought the web was still an exponential danger. Yeah, that sounds right.
I thought you'd agree.
Little help here! I'm glad to see you guys.
Start swinging. Just extend your arm.
I'll seal the exit.
Stop as many bots as you can.
Okay, that should hold them.
Nice try. But Spider-Bot's breaking containment in 3, 2, 1.
They're heading into the tunnels. We gotta catch them.
Elevating threat level to out of control. Should I call for more help now?
No. We can handle it. It's a small problem. Actually, big problem.
Start swinging.
Oh, no.
did, but I'm detecting unstable spots ahead. The squad...
Broken containment again, right?
Sorry. Elevating threat level to legit crazy.
Yeah, that sounds right.
Start swinging.
Wait, what? I'm trapped! Help!
Yank the yellow power cell off those struts. Spider-Man losing consciousness in 3, 2, 1.
Oh, that was close.
Spider-Man, the threat level's at the worst thing ever. Also, the giant bot survived. But those chain reactions did prove.
Wait, the green bots explode. If we intentionally hit those green bots, maybe we'll trigger a chain reaction.
I think you're right. That should stop them.
I got an idea.
We can do it! Everyone work together! Not overloading! In 3, 2, 1!
We did it! I can't believe the chain reaction thing worked. You guys were amazing.
I'm very impressed, Spider-Man. You really solved the problem.
Well, we couldn't have done it without them.
That was also your idea.
Hey, it's Peter. Looks like you guys and Spider-Man really saved the day.
Correct. Downgrading threat level to don't tell Tony.
Actually, better tell Tony.
I think that's a wise decision, Peter.